PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
My loop is clear and strong. Clearly, a topspin hit. Just now, the loops I mentioned were all about the early descent, right? The descent is in the mid to late stage. The second is when you put effort into it. Use a bit less force when suddenly top spinning. Once you apply too much force suddenly. I scold you for butting heads. Butting heads is related. Once you suddenly apply the topspin force, your hitting force comes out. So, don't suddenly top it. Instead, wait for the mid to late descent. Apply force and then extend your hand out. Then move forward and backward with the momentum. Mid to late stage. My abdomen has subtle force. My loop is clear and strong. Clearly, a topspin hit, whereas blocking is in the mid to late descent stage. After using subtle force with the abdomen to brush the ball out. Turn outward with force. It's subtly applying force. Is it subtly applying force in the mid to late descent stage? Subtly applying force. The difference lies in the rhythm, right? The second difference is in the force applied by the abdomen. A sudden shot. Where should you exert force first? Suddenly engage the abdomen. Right. Abruptly the abdomen. Beautiful abdomen. Wow. Sudden abdomen. Just this ball clearly aimed at the abdomen. How much force did you add to your hand? Not much force added. The extra force you added was from the abdomen. That's where the core power comes from, right? You didn't apply the brakes. That's why I don't recommend flicking your wrist. Even more so, I don't recommend twisting your wrist. No control. Can't control it, right? So why do I emphasize using the thumb to guide the backhand? Because it doesn't lead from one end to the other. It's in the middle. The back of your hand gets pushed outward by your thumb, causing the head to go out. The wrist also twists during use, but it's ultimately controllable. So I don't lead from the head or tail. Lead from the middle. Both the head and tail are taken along. It's just like singing for me. Really project from the diaphragm. If you don't use your core to push out the air. When I sing, my fans often insult me. They say I can't generate power from my core. Do you understand? Project from the belly, nice and strong. This feeling is good. Push out from the belly. Your technique has no major issues. Isn't it just about the quality at this point? Whereas I'm using this. In fact, our movements are quite similar. You release this strength towards where? Towards the abdomen, right? Okay, look. The ball that you reach out with your hand is coming. Your hand is also moving forward. If you add force, it's easy to lose control. Alright, I generate power from the abdomen. Is it the same movement as yours? The abdomen supporting the hand supporting the ball, instead of simply reaching out to hit the ball. Develop your qigong, right? Hey, the power from the abdomen. That's it, ha ha ha. The strength in the hand is similar. You push out your hands with the power from the abdomen. Does it feel like this? rushing the rhythm without using enough power. Your arm is already extended. Do you think you're using enough power from the core? Why are you starting like this? Is your hand relaxed? Relax the arm while building power. Alright, since the core is engaged in the power buildup, ready to release everything. No, that's why the setup was important. Seeing the ball coming, it's irrelevant to this. It's pointless. Right, that's why I build up power. I need to release it first. Once it's released, then the hand can move. Isn't that right? Look how the power builds up. Haha, extend the arm using the core. Engage the core and extend your arm. Otherwise, what's the point of building up power? When it's time to exert your hand moves along with it. Haha.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.